Guys, it's finally time to open up the little SCX 24. I've had this thing since the USTE. I haven't even opened it yet, but now it's finally time. Take a look. This is what you get with it. A 1.5 millimeter hex wrench, a spare body clip, spare links, and a long tube drive shaft. AA batteries for the transmitter, and here's your charger. You charge it using a USB outlet, and you just kind of charge it using the balance plug on the battery. You get your manual and connector guides. So, gonna pop the top, show you what's under that real quick. The body flips up. There's your battery. This is your battery plug. That'll plug into right there, and that's where you charge it. That just kind of goes right into there. So, nice, simple, and easy. I'm gonna get this thing charged up in just a couple seconds, and we're gonna be outside. What I've got to drive this on was built by Mike Place, and he donated it to the Exoplex. Pretty darn cool. Plus, we're gonna try some stuff in the back. I had the green one, found out it was very top heavy. So we're gonna see just how this works out. Probably gonna be the exact same thing since they're both, obviously the very same. I believe you can put grease inside the little shockless shock things and give it some dampening. I'll probably find that out because I'm definitely going to do some mods to this. Not really a whole lot of mods, but maybe something to keep it on its wheels a little better. And we'll try that again. A little bit different line this time. A 2x4 is a formidable opponent. There we go. The control feels pretty good. Now there really isn't much, wheel speed to pop wheelies and stuff like that with it. It has just enough, in most cases, to get the job done. There are no foams in the tires. Look like they could be a little bit softer. And maybe if they make a foam that's almost non-existent. Hey, I popped the wheelie. See if I can pop another one. Yes. Gotta watch the rollover on this thing because it loves to roll over. Might do some trimming on that cage. Get in some SCX 24 groups and see what they're doing to make these things perform. That was like almost 5 different rollovers right there. And there it was. Let's go ahead and try that line again. There we go. Probably not a good thing, but we're gonna go try some rocks. The goal is to make it up that and across all of this with as few, where you gotta pick it up and reset it. So let's see here. All right, not gonna go that way. I wonder if I can make it through the V here. Give it a little bit of a bump, maybe. Haha! Now, of course, you guys know every other vehicle that goes through that, you know, is up on the edges. Oh, really? There we go. See if I can get this. I know it's not going to make the face of that. All right, got that. So, making progress. Let's see what I can do here. This has a really, really bad drop on it. Oh. 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 Okay. I'll take that, see if I can get on up. Okay, no. One more time. Wow, there we go. I'm going to have to try to come up this other side over here since it looks to be the easiest. There we go, got that. Now, oh man. All right, I'm back up where I was supposed to be. Let's see. God, I don't know which way to go. I'm gonna come all the way around over here. And get down here with it to make it look like it's a real full-size vehicle. Wow. All right, here's a reset. Really? There we go. Wow, this thing is so top heavy. I need to take the cage off or something. Bet you that would help. We're talking tiny, tiny grams. I guess would make all the difference in the world with this truck. Here's another reset. And now we're lined up for this. Oh, well, that was another reset. So we've had two so far. The rest of it looks pretty easy. Just got to not roll. Yay, I did it! Let's try some dirt. Oh, wow, I haven't even made it to anything hard yet. Come on. Wow. Wow, this is disappointing. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. It would be awesome if I make it to the top of this. I just don't think it's quite got enough to do it. Ah, too far down. Wow. It's just not much at all. Well, that mound is not steep. It just doesn't have the grip with the sand on top, I guess. It doesn't have the wheel speed to, you know, clean them and throw the sand back and get forward momentum. Ah. Okay, we're gonna at least see if we can, drive the side of it. There's a shelf right here, so shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? See, here's a hill. Oh boy. And we're done. Do they make brushless systems for this yet? Oh well. So that was my first drive with my very own SCX 24. It is very top heavy, just like the green one that I had borrowed from Jonathan. So got to do some work to it. Got to get into those Facebook groups, see what's out there for it, see what I can put in it, and just try to make it better. Guys, there are affiliate links in the description. If you have anything in your eBay or Amazon cart, you can click any link, go onto those two websites, and go to your cart and go ahead and check out. It helps the channel get a little bit of a commission, and every little bit helps. Guys, thank you all for watching. If you guys like the channel and want to help it out a little bit, you can click that join button and actually become a channel member. Members get special privileges, maybe even some member giveaways. So make sure you check that out. And as always, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching.